Hi guys, and welcome to my Smart Solutions hair product review and tutorial. Today I will be applying Smart Solutions Dual Action Cream Shampoo to my already wet hair. I am focusing on applying the product to my roots and the midsection of my hair. Then I will use a wide tooth comb to make sure the product is evenly distributed throughout my hair. I have now rinsed all of the product out of my hair and will move on to applying conditioner. Now I will be applying Smart Solutions Dual Action Cream Conditioner. I like to use a little bit more conditioner than recommended because I have super dry hair. I am focusing on applying the product to the midsection and end of my hair. I rinsed the conditioner out of my hair off camera, and now I am moving on to applying Smart Solutions Straighten Curl Serum. I am focusing the application of the product to the midsection and ends of my hair. I am also scrunching my hair at the ends with product left on my hand. To speed up the drying process, I scrunched my hair with my microfiber towel. To keep my curls lasting all day, I will be using Smart Solutions Flexible Holding Spray. I am focusing this product at the roots and the ends of my hair. This Smart Solution set is called the Pageant Perfect Style Set. I absolutely love the shampoo. It leaves your hair feeling refreshed and smooth. Like all of the products, it is sulfate, sodium chloride, and paraben-free. This conditioner is truly one of my favorite conditioners. It is an excellent product for detangling hair. It also leaves your hair feeling very soft. This serum can be used for many hair types and purposes. It can be used on naturally curly and straight hair. It can also be used as a heat protectant to curl or straighten hair. I like this product because it doesn't weigh your hair down and it reduces frizz. The Flexible Holding Spray is great for pageant girls. If you need a quick touch-up, this is your product. It is water-free and doesn't flake. The Incredible Holding Spray is truly incredible. Using this product on curled hair allows for long-lasting curls. Any hairstyle that uses this product will stay all day. All of these products smell amazing and are cruelty-free and made from plant extracts. The link for Smart Solutions will be in the box below. Thank you for watching.